just make some adjustments to this parallel. So as we can see, we've touched the bottom of the parallel, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, broken above it, and we've come back in. However, as we've come back in.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are looking at the oil US Crude. We are going to have a look at where it's traded over last week and where it could be trading this week, and just see what we can find. So we are looking at the monthly view at the moment. We did have some information, some notes on areas of support. I'm going to just remove some of these for now, just to clear up the chart. Let's get rid of that one, get rid of this one. Okay, so over the month, we can see that we are down on the oil chart. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go into the daily and have a closer look to see what we can find. Okay, so as we can see, looking at the daily, we are still quite high on the oil chart, trading at the 102 area, 102.49. Where could we be heading? It's a difficult one to say on this one, but it looks like we've got a lot of resistance around the 109 region. So I think for now, let me go into the 1 hour, and then we can see, so this bull flag that we've had ongoing, we have broken above it, and it looked like we could be potentially be coming back in. I'm going to update this channel, so let me just extend it out. So just drag it out here, and then what I can do is just make some adjustments to this parallel. So as we can see, we've touched the bottom of the parallel, to the top, to the bottom, to the top, broken above it, and we've come back in. However, as we've come back in, we've sort of made our way sort of into the middle of the parallel channel, hitting that 9,000 or the 90 area. So we bounced off a few times and we've gone up. Now it looks like we could be coming back in, and if we come back in, I would imagine we are going to the 99 area on oil. So let's put a line that I can see just across here. So let's go 99, so around here. So when I line, I can actually drag it across, and I can actually see there's a few areas that is touched. So there, all these areas here. Okay, these areas there, a few times here, around here. So this area, this zone here, could be quite interesting. So I would imagine if all this starts coming, it's gonna come back to the top of this parallel channel that we've drawn in, and then we've got this horizontal line. Could envisage a reaction around this area here. If you can hold then we will go start bouncing back higher. However, if it breaks it, we could potentially be heading back to the 91 and the 90 area on vol. If this area doesn't hold, then we are going a lot lower to the 84, to potentially all the way down to 73. However, I do not see this happening in the short term. I kind of see maybe we come into this area, so the 99, and then we're going to bounce and head a little bit higher. Where can we go if we head a bit higher? We're going to retest the 109 to potentially the 110. So let's just put a line in there. Let's go here, so 109, and potentially the 110 as well. So let's just put a line in there. So just across there. So that's where you're going to have a fair bit of resistance. Okay, so we're going to be between the 109 and the 99. So we just need to keep an eye on those two levels and just see whether we break below the 99, or can we consolidate and then head higher. And if we do head higher, then we need to watch the 109 to see whether we can try and pierce through it out and go a little bit higher. So if you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, leave your comments. This will help the channel to grow. Thank you for watching, and speak soon. Goodbye.